Still America's best-selling truck, but is it still the best? The 2026 Ford F-150 is here with updates that blend rugged performance with smart tech. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're breaking down what's new, what works, and whether this latest F-150 lives up to the hype. Design. Let's start with design. Ford didn't reinvent the wheel here, but they've sharpened the edges. The 2026 F-150 gets a refreshed front fascia with updated grille options, sleeker LED headlights, and new wheel designs across the lineup. It still looks tough and ready for work, but now with a more refined, modern edge. And yes, the Pro Access tailgate is still around, and it's more useful than ever. Performance. Under the hood, there's no shortage of options. From the tried-and-true 3.5L EcoBoost V6 to the PowerBoost Hybrid and even the fully electric Lightning, Ford continues to offer a setup for every kind of driver. Towing and payload are still class-leading, and the ride quality, especially with the optional adaptive suspension, is surprisingly smooth for a full-size truck. Features and technology. Inside, it's all about comfort and connectivity. You'll find a massive 15.5-inch touchscreen running SANC 5, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even hands-free driving with Ford's BlueCruise on supported roads. The interior materials are also upgraded this year, less work truck, more premium SUV, especially in the Lariat and Platinum trims. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 F-150 still the king of trucks? If you want capability, versatility, and modern tech wrapped in a familiar, dependable package, it's hard to beat. What do you think? Is the F-150 still your top pick, or are you eyeing the competition? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more clear, honest takes on the latest rides. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.